What if your heart stopped? Your blood froze, and months later, you simply woke up again. In the forests of North America, winter drops far below freezing. For most animals, that means death. But hidden under fallen leaves is a small amphibian with a different design, the wood frog. As temperatures fall, its body fills with glucose, a natural antifreeze. Its heart stops, its blood freezes, its body becomes solid ice. Weeks pass, sometimes months, then spring arrives. The ice melts, the heart starts beating again, and the wood frog hops away like nothing happened. Nature leaves a reminder here. Some lives survive the coldest seasons because they were built for them. If you believe God can bring life back after frozen seasons, type revive.